What's going on, guys? It's a little bit of a different video, but look, I'm gonna make it to prove the lesson. I'm here on my Bugatti scooter. I love coming into this forest type park here in New York City, you know, just to get away from all the buildings. And it's, look, so the thing is about imperfect action and being outcome oriented. So look, a lot of people, they want to post content, they want to post videos, they want to do stuff, but the thing is, they don't know if they're good enough. Okay, the problem with that is that they become attached to the results that they get or that they don't get. So they post a video and they want views. Obviously that's why you're doing it, for people. But the problem is, if you do it and what if you don't get views or you're unsure? So now you're just focused on yourself. Okay, so now you're becoming focused on yourself, and that's when you start to get self-doubt instead of focusing on the person that's going to consume and watch your content. All right, you need to focus on that person that's going to watch your content, because that's the person that you're going to be helping. After all, that's why you're making content. So the problem with focusing on the views is that, let's say that you post a video and you get a lot of views. You get happy. You keep posting it because now you're motivated to get more views and because you feel like you're making an impact, and you are. But the problem is, let's say that you post a video and you don't get views. What happens now? Or you don't get views and then you are discouraged because now you did it for the result. All right. And by the way, that thing over there is like a zoo. That there's like buffaloes in there. It's amazing. And there's like birds in that little cage looking thing that you saw. And you can walk around and the birds fly. And look over here, then you get like the regular cars. So the problem with that is that people, they become result oriented, and then if you don't get the views, so now you're doing it for the views, and if you don't get it, what happens? The little secret that you should have in your mind is you should do those actions, right, for the person that does it. You want to do it for the person that does those actions, okay? You want to do it for the actions. You want to prove to yourself and get validation that you're executing. That's how you win. When you get happy from winning instead of views, you're going to keep winning and you're going to keep executing and you're going to keep on going. So look, don't be attached to the views. Don't be attached to how you look on camera. Look, we all are not good when we start. Okay, we all are not good. But guess what? With time, we get better. Okay, so look, imperfect action. I'm here recording a YouTube video in my Bugatti scooter. We're driving with one hand. Right, look, if I was waiting to be in the studio with lighting and the camera and the microphone, I'm literally using my iPhone. I look at how many subscribers I have, over 1,000 subscribers from taking imperfect action. You know, I was usually used to be so self-conscious, like I want to provide the best value always. I want to make sure that I'm not just posting nonsense and garbage online, like reposting stuff from other people. You know, that's what like people that are insecure do, instead of posting yourself, right? So look, and then that just delayed me. I didn't execute, and you know, things just happen, and I'm not making an impact or the difference that I want to make. Look at this video. I'm literally driving a scooter. Literally, look, this is the day of my life right now. I just finished a workout. My shoulder is actually very sore from the workout, and I'm holding the phone, and it's like, you know, it's imperfect action. But look, just get it done. Get it done. Make the impact. Look, if I never started, I would have never made thousands of dollars online. For the last 5 years, 6 years, I've been working for myself. I literally, once you know how to get attention online, whether that's through advertising or whether that's organic posting, whether that's whatever social media platform, if you know how to get attention online and convert that attention into currency, you will literally never be broke again. And ever since I started to do that, I've never been broke. Okay, I have money now, I make money, and I can make it literally as I'm here. Just hanging out, about to get some sun, about to record more content for my inner circle. I don't want to be indoors all day, so this is why I got this awesome scooter, this Bugatti scooter. I'll just pull over here in a second and I'll show you. And look, I'm just gonna be literally, this is by design. I don't want to be home all day behind the computer. Look, check this out, guys. So yeah, look. So take this as a lesson. So just start taking action and stop worrying about being perfect.